Welcome back to the Ninja FlexFlame Getting Started series. In this video, let's review the proper cleaning and maintenance instructions so you can keep your Ninja FlexFlame looking good as new. Keeping your system clean is important for optimal cooking performance and the longevity of the system. It also helps reduce flare-ups. When it comes to cleaning your system, there is routine cleaning and upkeep, and then there is deep, thorough cleaning. Let's start by covering the measures you should be taking for routine cleaning. As a rule of thumb, it's important to clean your grill grates before every few cooks. It's best to clean the grates when the system is hot. Preheat the system with the lid down and grates in place. Then use a coiled stainless steel grill brush to scrape any debris off the grates directly into the grease funnel. Be sure to lightly oil the grates with a paper towel the next time you cook before adding food. This will help reduce food from sticking to the grates. Ensure the grease tray is cooled before handling and emptied before each cook. It can be hand washed with warm, soapy water, or you can use the Ninja FlexFlame Upgrade grease tray liners for a more convenient cleanup. Remember to always put the grease tray in place before cooking to avoid a mess. The inside lid can be cleaned with a sponge using liquid dish soap and water. Regular cleaning can minimize discoloration over time. If you notice any colored flakes that have formed on the inside of the lid, these are normal and result from a buildup of carbonized grease and smoke. They can also be wiped down with dish soap and water. Make sure all soap residue is cleaned off the inside of the lid when finished. Now that we have covered routine cleaning, we can get into deep cleaning. Before a robust clean, make sure your propane tank is closed and the system is unplugged. We recommend you thoroughly clean your system regularly, especially after every 20 hours of cooking, 12 cooks, or completing a long or fatty cook using the low and slow or roast/bake functions. When the grill grates are removed, you can clearly see the flame tamers. The flame tamers protect the burners by catching grease and other residue during grilling. To clean the flame tamers, use a plastic scraper or stainless steel grill brush to scrape away any residue. After cleaning the flame tamers, you can remove them to clean your burners. Carefully lift the flame tamers and set them aside to expose the burners. For safe grill operation, it is essential that you keep your burners clean. Use a damp sponge or cloth to gently clean the tops of all the burners. Make sure they have air dried fully before next use. Keeping the spider screens clean is also important for safe grill operation. To clean the spider screens, take a soft bristle brush, like a toothbrush, to lightly brush away any debris. Make sure you regularly assess the inside of your firebox for safe operation. Excessive grease accumulation poses a fire hazard. To clean, make sure your grease tray is installed and use a sponge or plastic scraper to scrape any debris into the hole that leads to the grease tray. Don't forget to empty your grease tray when cleaning is complete. Last but not least, another important cleaning point is your pellet box and smoker box. Make sure to empty the pellet box after each use. While it is not necessary to clean the pellet box and smoker box, after every use, we recommend using a wire brush to remove any creosote buildup after every 10 uses. Only use soap and water on the pellet box when necessary. Over-the-counter cleaning solutions can cause combustion or flare-ups. For additional information about cleaning and maintenance, call our Ninja Grill experts at customer service.